Hey, Phil here, working on another one of my own sites. And the benefit of having my own sites is I can show you stuff. So I want to show you Google Tag Manager for Webflow. Now, in my opinion, Google Tag Manager is becoming increasingly more relevant because, unfortunately, your hand's kind of forced because it's the easiest way to implement a lot of conversion tracking with Google Analytics 4, right? So we're really talking about a synthesis of GTM and Google Analytics 4 today. Cool. So we're going to we're here in GA4. You're going to go to Setup Assistant, Tag Installation, and we're going to grab this measurement ID. I've walked through this a few times because I think this is my third take on this one. So I think we can nail it. We're going to go to Google Tag Manager for our respective container. Pardon my disorganized mess. All right, so I'm going to delete this tag and we're going to recreate it. So I have my Universal Analytics tag right here, and that's done by just dropping the page ID, but that's not today's topic, right? So we're going to go GA4 tag. And this is our GA4 configuration. We'll talk about events in future videos because I think this is where you are going to get the most as far as tracking important interactions on your site. So GA4 configuration, and that measurement ID is what we took from our GA4. So we're going to drop that measurement ID, fire on all pages. We're going to submit. GA4. I like leaving notes, right? Now we're still not done because we technically haven't added it to anything. So you're going to go to admin, and I moved too quickly. Let's go back one step, right? So we were down here at our property. You're going to go to admin. Don't forget to publish on both GTM and in Webflow. So you're going to grab the head code and you're going to go here. As my dog makes croaking bullfrog noises. He's funny like that. So you got your head code and the body code. Totally one of the benefits of Webflow. They made it so easy to do this stuff, right? So you've dropped a bit of Google Tag Manager code inside the head and a bit of code inside the body. And you've effectively added the GA4 tag to Google Tag Manager, right? Set to fire on all pages, which is kind of the default setting. So let's go ahead and publish. And we're going to check that traffic. I like checking in Google Tag Manager, and you can do this prior to submission, is if you got everything lined up, you can test in preview mode, which I think is way cool. I think it's cool. I hope you do too. Great. And it fired here. You see this GA4? It said fire 1x times. I've got different tags, but that's my GA4 tag. You're going to go to your GA4 property, and you can test in real time. And fantastic. You should see yourself on there. I hope this is helpful. I'm having a lot of fun talking about GA4. If you think this GA4 content is helpful, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this is helpful for you. Reach out with questions, and I shall talk to you later. Bye-bye.